I just landed the holy grail of all automotive mechanic jobs. Excuse me, I'm a little excited, but I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, all right, what kind of job did you really get? Two, is it better than my stupid, idiotic, poo-poo, no good dealership job? And three, why are you wearing a suit? Well, one, I will get into that without name dropping. Two, yes, McDonald's is better than that. And three,
I don't know.
so a little backstory. Back in October, me and the family decided to move back up to New York from Florida. Now, it wasn't our first decision, but it made sense for our family. And I've been kind of commenting on this. The job market is just terrible. The minute I knew that we were going to be here for some time, I started applying and applied to a lot of places, over 30 places, even prior employment where I used to live here. It took, about 6 months? No, 3 months. It took a very long time for me to get this job. So why is this job so good? Well, let me tell you, first off the bat, no flat rate BS. You are paid hourly and you're paid good hourly. I'll be honest, starting off around 30 in the low 30s is, not the best, but in about 4 years you will get max pay, which is somewhere in the mid $45 range, and I think even more depending on contracts. That goes into number two is contracts. You have a strong union that does not mess around. These rules are precise and management can't break them because they sign them into contract. Not too sure about the contract expiration date, but it's very frequent. Going back to pay, you get overtime paid like overtime should get paid, time and a half. Now, if you're thinking about it, you're making $45 time and a half on overtime. I don't have to do the math. You know how good that is. Benefits are handsome. Sick days, paid time off that accrues the more you're there. So if you start off with like 1 week of vacation, you'll probably end with 6 weeks of paid vacation. These are all paid vacation, yeah. You get paid training, and the creme de la creme on top of all of this is a pension. All of this adds up to long-term stability. The guys that work there are well into their retirement rights and ages, and they still want to work there from what I heard. Retirement is 20 years of service. Retirement age is 57. And that you can't beat. Now, I know I sound like I'm bragging, and kind of am a little, but I want to bring this to light to all the mechanics, the dealerships breaking their backs, doing a damn good job, and thinking that this is the only way to make a living as a mechanic. There are plenty of other options out there. This job, of course, is a fleet, and it's a big fleet, a major fleet, a fleet that needs to keep running. This is a job that's going nowhere anytime fast. Doesn't matter about EVs, doesn't matter about AI. This job will be here, and they're still going to be there, and you can definitely get one. I've talked about it so many times during the year and last year. Mechanics need to know their worth. And we got to talk about that. We got to bring this up to a global scale because we are getting paid so bad in comparison to all these other jobs that are very skilled. But there's still some places that will pay us what we're worth. They're hard to find. There's a lot of work you need to do to get into them. But once you're in there, like this job, you are set for life. You don't have to worry again. Now, I know this video is just going to be really short. I'm going to be working now, so the video scale is going to be longer. It's been kind of weird because I've been going through the application process. But now that's all done, and I'm going to have a consistent schedule to stick to when it comes to work. But this is the new desk setup. A little bleak in the background right now, but I made some room in the storage room we have here, my old room, and this is where I'm going to be recording my talking videos right now. So I'm actually pretty excited about this. It's going to look a bit more than just an engine and that. We're gonna make it look nice. I'm really excited. This is going to be a cool, pivotal part on this YouTube channel. I'm going to talk about a lot more things. Going to have a lot more podcasts going. Real cool start to the year. You guys stay tuned and have a good year this year. Of course, I picked a suit that's too fat.